Devi's English. Let me explain you past tense. Past tense, it has 4 subtenses: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. First one, simple past, that is also called as past simple. When we use this tense, it indicates an action which was completed in the past. That means completed action, simply we are using past simple, or also called as simple past. What is the structure of it? Subject plus verb to plus object or other part of the sentence. So, examples according to the structures: I visited Delhi last month. So then here visited indicating verb to. This action word verb to we used here. So then it is in simple past, and also it completed in the past, indicating us in this sentence. Next one, Mohan passed the exam in 1999. So Mohan passed, that verb indicating here past action. So it completed in past. That is here indicating us. It is simple past sentence. Completed action indicating us. This verb, according to this verb, we find that it is in simple past. He played cricket yesterday. It is also completed in past. He played cricket yesterday. So then that verb indicating here, it is also simple past tense. Gandhi went to London after his studies. So then here went indicating verb to. So it is also completed action indicating us. So simply from these 4 sentences we understood completed actions in past, then we are constructing the sentence in simple past tense. Next one, past continuous tense. It indicates an action which was continuing in the past. Then we are using past continuous tense. In this tense, I, he, she, it, these 4 pronouns after was, singular form helping verb we are using here. After that verb 4 plus other part of the sentence or object. Then here I, he, she, it after was we must and should use. In past continuous tense, we, you, they after were helping verb we are using verb 4 plus object. So it is the structure of past continuous tense. According to this structure, example, I was playing cricket when my father came in. So that according to this definition, which was continuing in the past, I was playing cricket when my father came in. When my father came in here, past action. At that time, I was playing. So then it was continuing in the past indicating us. So then we are using past continuous tense. She was watching TV when the telephone rang. Telephone rang here, past action. At that time, she was watching TV. So continuous action. Telephone rang, past action. At that time, continuous action, what was going there? Watching TV. She was watching TV. So then we are constructing it in past continuous tense. They were sleeping when the telegram arrived. Here the telegram arrived, past action. At that time, what they were doing? They were sleeping. So that is continuous action in the past. So then we are constructing it in past continuous tense. According to this structure, we constructed like these sentences. When we use past continuous tense, two actions had done in past, one action in past, at that time what was continuing in the past, then we are constructing in past continuous tense. According to these helping verbs and also according to this structure, we constructed here past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. It indicates an action which had been completed before another action completed. Structure, subject, had plus verb 3 plus other part of the sentence or object. Example, according to the structure, he gave the questions to the anchor after he had corrected them. So, one action is completed action. One action is earlier completed action, that is called as earlier past action. One action is completed action, another action is earlier completed action. So then we are constructing past perfect. Gave here indicating past tense, it is simple past tense. Had corrected here indicating past perfect tense. So then he gave the questions to the anchor, completed action it indicating us. In before that, he had corrected them. He corrected that questions, after that have given to that anchor. So that here indicating us in this sentence. One action completed action, one action earlier completed action. So then we are using past perfect tense. One more example, they had discussed the matter before they took the decision. They took the decision. Here they had discussed, that is here indicating us past perfect action. Past perfect means here earlier past action. So then took here indicating us completed action. What is the sentence meaning here? They had discussed the matter before they took the decision. So then earlier completed action here, they had discussed the matter. Past action here, they took the decision. Then we are constructing past perfect tense. And one more example, they offered him the job because he had fulfilled all the credentials. Offered here past action. They offered him here indicating us past action because he had fulfilled here indicating earlier past action. Had fulfilled here indicating earlier past action. After completing overall discussions that credentials, he has more credentials, according to that they offered him the job. Then at that time we are constructing past perfect tense. I had done my homework before my father came back. My father came back here indicating past action. Came here indicating past action. Had done here earlier past action. That means I had done my homework before my father came back. My father came back. In before that only I had done my homework. So then here one action completed action, another one action is earlier past action. Then we are constructing past perfect tense. You must and should keep it in your mind, before, after, because these type of keywords we are using. When also we are using when we construct past perfect tense. Two actions completed in past, one action completed, then we constructed in simple past. Another action completed earlier past, earlier past action completed, then we are constructing past perfect tense. That is simple past and past perfect difference. That is the difference in between those two. You should keep it in your mind. Had done, we are constructing singular after also had, plural after also had. Here it is he, here singular, here they, here plural. But we are my father here singular. Like this, singular after also we are using had. So in present perfect tense, singular after has, plural after have. But in past perfect tense, singular after, plural after also we are using helping verb had. Past perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action with past perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action which started, continued and completed in the past. So started in past, continued in past and completed in the past. That should be, keep it in your mind. Then we are using past perfect continuous tense. What is the structure of it? Subject plus had been plus verb 4 plus other part of the sentence. He told me that he had been practicing tennis for 2 weeks last year. Here had been practicing, it indicating it is past perfect continuous sentence. He told me that, told here past action. He told me that he had been practicing tennis for 2 weeks last year. So last year he had been practicing tennis. That is here indicating started in past and continued in past only. That is indicating us in this sentence. One more example. They had been living here for 2 years between 1994 and 1996. In between that, those people, they had been living. So that indicating us started in past and also completed in past. They had been started living in past in 1994 and also completed in past in between that 1994 and 1996. That is here, that sentence tells to us. She had been learning music for 2 weeks last month. So she had been learning music last month. 2 weeks she had been learning. So then here started in past, continued in past and completed in past. That is indicating us in this sentence. Then we are using past perfect continuous tense. Past tense at a glance I want to show now. Simple past. Simple past, singular and plural. How can we construct sentences in first person, second person and third person also? I will give at a glance in this table. I ate, we ate, singular after, plural after also, ate we are using here. You ate, singular for ate and plural also we are using ate. Third person, singular, he, she, it, after ate, they after also ate. Then there is no difference in between that. First person, second person and third person, singular and plural pronouns after. Now continuous tense, singular and plural. I was eating, I singular, so that I was eating. We were eating, we plural, so that we were eating. You were eating, you were eating. That means singular and plural also were only we are using you after. And third person, singular, he was eating. So third person singular, he, she, it after was, we are using helping verb. And plural, they were eating. Only in past continuous tense we are using different verb forms. Was and were, helping verbs we are using. Singular for was, plural for were. And now past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, singular and plural. I had eaten. We had eaten. Singular and plural after also had helping verb. Verb 3 we are using there. And after that second person, you had eaten. You had eaten. Singular and plural also. You had eaten. We are constructing here sentence. And third person, singular after also. He had eaten. They had eaten. Singular and plural after also. We are using helping verb had. And perfect continuous tense. Singular and plural. I had been eating. We had been eating. That means singular and plural after also had been we are using and verb 4 using there. And second person, singular and plural also you. Both after also we are using had been helping verbs and also verb 4. And now third person, singular after he had been eating. Plural after also had been eating. That is here. What is the difference between singular and plural after which verb we are using? So you are getting clear idea upon this past tense. So thank you very much. Thank you for all. Next class I will continue with future tense.